Building a digital HR system that grows with you sounds like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. In fact, by following a few key steps, you can build a flexible, scalable HR system that not only meets your current needs, but also adapts as your business grows. Stay tuned because at the end of this video, I'll be offering you an exclusive free trial to the software I recommend for building this system so you can follow along. First, you need to focus on your core HR functions. Whether it's payroll, employee data management, recruitment, or performance tracking, these are the pillars of any digital HR system. By identifying these core needs, you'll have a clearer idea of the software features you require. Keep in mind that your system must be able to scale with your business, so look for a solution that's flexible enough to add or adjust features as you grow. Next, consider automation. Automating routine tasks like payroll, employee benefits, administration, and onboarding will save time and reduce human error. But automation isn't just about making things easier for you, it's about providing a better experience for your employees too. Look for HR software that can automate repetitive tasks while giving you room to focus on more strategic functions like talent development and employee engagement. Now think about integration. Your digital HR system needs to connect with other tools your business relies on, like your accounting system or communication platforms. It's important to ensure that your HR software integrates seamlessly with the rest of your tools so that information flows smoothly across your business. A disconnected system can lead to errors and frustration, so make sure your HR solution can plug into your existing ecosystem. Another important step is ensuring data security. As you store more employee information in a digital system, it becomes crucial to choose software that follows the highest data security standards. Look for software that encrypts sensitive data, offers secure logins, and adheres to regulations like GDPR to keep your employees' information safe. Also, don't forget about scalability. As your business grows, your HR needs will evolve. You might need to add more features, manage a larger team, or adapt to new compliance requirements. When selecting your HR software, ensure it's designed to grow with you. A good system will allow you to add new users, expand functionality, and keep pace with industry changes. And here's where the magic happens: choosing the right software. After testing out a range of popular HR systems, I found one that stands out for its flexibility, ease of use, and scalability. The software we'll be using throughout this tutorial is ideal for businesses of all sizes, allowing you to easily build a digital HR system that grows with you. And as a special offer for viewers of my channel, I'm giving you an exclusive free trial of this software to help you get started. Link in the description below. The key takeaway from today's video is simple. Building a digital HR system that grows with your business isn't just about picking the right software, it's about focusing on automation, integration, security, and scalability from the start. If you follow these principles, you'll have a system that evolves alongside your business, saving you time, money, and stress. Let's quickly recap the main points. 1. Identify your core HR needs and focus on flexibility. 2. Automate routine tasks to save time and reduce errors. 3. Ensure seamless integration with your existing systems. 4. Prioritize data security to protect employee information. 5. Choose scalable software that can grow with you. If you're ready to take the next step, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.